Platform as a Service offers the promise of higher developer productivity, faster deployment, and better utilization of computing resources. But enterprises are still waiting to fully realize those promises. Enterprise applications are composite, distributed, and complex. Platform as a Service, or PaaS, can simplify these, but the solutions available today are specialized. The application platform runs in one cloud. The integration technology is provided in another cloud, which is in turn separate from the data and business process management capabilities. And to build modern applications that work in concert with mobile devices, yet another cloud-based service is required. A gap exists between the discrete services provided by existing platforms when an enterprise needs to build applications. This is not a new challenge. Enterprise architects have been turning to middleware technology for years and years to glue complex piece parts into a platform to build enterprise-grade applications. What enterprises need is a coherent, unified offering that extends PaaS for their needs. A single platform spanning on-premise and cloud, public or private, with middleware capabilities to make composite, distributed, and complex applications possible. At Red Hat, we call this xPaaS. Combining JBoss middleware with the OpenShift platform as a service, Red Hat is building the first xPaaS. xPaaS makes PaaS enterprise-ready. A modern enterprise application is made of data, services, rules, processes, and workflow. It extends to mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. And it needs to run in an environment that is ready-made for cloud computing so enterprise developers can build, run, and manage modern applications. Red Hat JBoss Enterprise Application Platform on OpenShift is the foundation of xPaaS and is optimized to run in traditional on-premise deployments and public or private clouds. Integration of applications, components, services, or data is key to enterprise software solutions. Integration PaaS, iPaaS, extends messaging-based integration to cloud-based configurations, brokers, and services. Using Red Hat JBoss Fuse, the integration developer, working with familiar tools and patterns, can quickly set up and configure integration routes that span hybrid on-premise and cloud environments. Once these services have been built and saved, they are available to other developers working within the xPaaS. As applications span clouds, data will be stored in an increasing number of places and formats, and that data will need to be integrated as well. Enterprises will want to bring together data from Salesforce.com and combine it with data in Hadoop, or a data warehouse running on-premise, and provide a unified view to that integrated data. Using Red Hat JBoss Data Services, the data is brought together virtually, and the developer can expose that data to other applications and information consumers. Using our upcoming version of Red Hat JBoss SOA platform, a developer can expose existing business logic and rules as services, and create new services using a component-based framework focused on building structured, maintainable services and applications, which use the concepts and best practices of service-oriented architecture. It provides a fast, simple, flexible integration runtime with comprehensive connectivity and transports. It allows you to express functional units of work as components and bind them together with external services, all referenced within the project to keep dependencies obvious and documented. A uniform application model provides a cohesive development model and runtime. Common functionality is isolated from business logic and applied to components independently to ensure consistency and eliminate duplication, offering developers a clear view of structure and relationships for integration and services. Mobile is rapidly becoming the first-choice client platform for application development, with enterprises deciding that desktop support will be secondary. One of the most important enterprise capabilities of mobile is push notification, the ability to send brief alerts or messages to devices even if the app is not active or the device is in standby mode, allows the developer to build applications for the mobile worker. Application messages become push notifications to a user or group of users. The AeroGear push server allows a developer to set up push notifications for mobile apps and mobile websites, and share a single endpoint to other applications. Once a user allows push notification messages to be sent to their app, other applications can send messages to the push server, which will determine the user or users, their device or devices, access the required tokens, and automatically send the push message via the appropriate push network. Red Hat JBoss Business Process Management Suite provides familiar tools a business analyst needs to model and automate processes far more quickly and easily, dragging and dropping process steps to create a new business process. And using Red Hat JBoss Business Rules Management System, they can configure and deploy business rules for their applications, which can be changed without having to write new code or redeploy the application. With these capabilities, the business analyst can create powerful, process-driven applications for deployment on-premise or in the cloud. Once an enterprise's developers and business analysts have created all the components of a modern application, processes, data, rules, integration, mobile, and assembled them to support a business need, the application needs to be deployed on a modern enterprise application platform that is optimized for on-premise and cloud deployments. Once the application is running, JBoss Fuse Fabric ensures that it keeps running and can access the scalability of cloud-based infrastructure, so the application has the computing resources it needs to scale. Just as the application and the resources it requires need to be managed, JBoss BPM Suite provides management of the business process through dynamic business dashboards that monitor and update critical metrics to visually represent the performance of the enterprise and provide drill-down information to investigate the data behind the dashboard. xPaaS will provide the most comprehensive set of cloud services needed to build modern composite applications, end-to-end capabilities to build, run, and manage the new class of enterprise-critical applications. Red Hat JBoss xPaaS services for OpenShift, making PaaS enterprise ready.